Princess Anna of Arendelle. Hi.
House not DC visit and I will catch you watching. Thank you.
You're welcome.
In your face. How's that? Mommy Anna.
Yeah, I'll do your Anna hair.
On the hair.
Mm-hmm.
On the hair. Mommy on the hair, please. Yes. How's that? Did see a sister? Do you want to be snowman? How's not DC visit and I will catch you watching. So let's get started. So first get the face and put office. So that is the better than. Mommy, banana please. The better than. That the face and forget the bouncer. Ace Kiki best piss office. Piss office. That's the hospitals. All hospitals, all face, and everywhere. The teacher is big. Eyes and sugar. It's a office, babe. Get this fish with. Let's go to tell this. And a pool fish right there. The special air we get all fish and Ferguson. And she comes to get the basic. Daddy can get a good top. As yes is but has a toddies Ferguson. I did the wrong. The was rather is this work. Daddy, this is so good. I shall pay it. I shall pay me. He shall order us the Uji spoon. So, I said with this color. A scary sandwich. A scary sandwich. Daddy little car creep. Just walk a bush. A cool cone, a opposite cheeks. Put it on. As you see, it's nice and pink color is the way it was. That is the way it was. That's it, bigger. Us at the warehouse customer. Say right back. But the warehouse called you open you. As a talkative bitch the walls. Headache. Said use her work. Makeup and costume. And when her make it it's called the
Good job, baby. That was really good.
That was pretty.
You look so pretty, Mama. just like Anna.
You're so cute.
It's so
so
pretty.
This thing
Smells amazing.
It smells amazing.